Hi everybody, welcome to Cake's Comments again. I am going to be doing a chore that I have needed to do for a while now and I kept putting it off, and I'm ashamed to say that I shouldn't have, but I have been opening up my refrigerator for the past few days and the smell has gotten worse and worse, and I think I finally found out what it was, other than the fact that I haven't cleaned it out as regularly as I should. But I am going to be putting, I have put in my tub of the container that I use for my dishes to wash them, I put about a tablespoon worth of Dawn soap, about a cap's worth or two of vinegar, because this refrigerator is going to need it, and I put about a half teaspoon, I don't know how many of you have done this before, but I put about a half teaspoon's worth of salt in with it, and I'm going to fill it up with hot water and see how good it cleans my fridge, because it needs it. So I'll show you my mixture here. I don't know how well you can see that, not very well I know, but I have, oh, you can't really see it. But anyway, I put in here a tablespoon with the Dawn soap, the salt, and the vinegar. So I'm going to fill that up with hot water while I empty out my refrigerator, and we'll see how this goes. So we're going to fill it up now. Watch out for the stand, don't touch it, okay? I have my handy dandy gloves on, so you never know what you're going to come across.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi, stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombardie e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante. Non più avrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girato, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria.
Sorry about that, folks. I bumped the button again, but I have a time limit, so I gotta cut this video short. I wanted to finish the rest of it, but I just have one shelf and 2 of the trays. Keep stuff in, put it in, but this refrigerator is smelling so much better. The salt and vinegar took the smells away, really good. I'm glad about that. So I'm gonna clean this up. This tray is nasty, but it'll be cleaned up before my son gets here. Hopefully he'll be home in a minute. Anyway, if this tip with vinegar and salt helps you, maybe you could try it, or maybe you already have. Let me know what you think of it. Helps my fridge. It's great. So hopefully it'll help you, and we will see you guys in the next video, and happy cleaning! See you guys later. Take care. And please subscribe, and thumbs up if you like this video. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!